natin na pwede pala nating i-address ang drug problem na walang masyadong namamatay. I hope that would continue. Sapagkat pag marami pang napapatay dito, wala akong pakialam kung sino ang Pangulo. Iimbestigahan ng committee ito. Why? Because that is human rights violations. Now, ang next hearing po natin, iimbitahan natin the former President Duterte on this hearing. Oh, nagkaroon na ng agreement ang members ng committee. Iimbitahan natin si Senator Boto de la Rosa kung papayag ang Senado na siya mag-appear dito. Not because he is a senator, but because during that time, he was kilala mo ko, di ba? Oh, you would even give me messages on the scriptures. Oh, I know where you're coming from. All right? I know na ikaw din. You are very much involved in the war on drugs. Am I right? Yes, Pinido? Okay. So what do you think of what's happening now? Comparing it to the past administration. You are now a director or a commander or what?
No, sir.
Where are you assigned?
Police Regional Office 8, sir.
Where?
Personnel.
Okay. So I would like you to make a statement now. What do you think now? Do you think that there are really human rights violations in the past administration or not?
Good afternoon, it's everyone, sir. And for me, very appreciated naman, sir, ang committee na to because napapakita lang natin sa lahat na may batas. But,
Yeah, sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko before you appreciate this committee.
so kapag, sir, sa...
Palagay mo, kilala mo naman ako, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oo. And I'm not going to belabor my time in this committee if I do not believe in this advocacy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, you say you're a Christian.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You always give me verses. Binaboy ako. Sabi ko. Hindi, sabi niya, kailan ka raw naging Kristiyano?
Ang matagal sin, sir.
Matagal na raw. Oh, kailan?
Pagkakilala naman sa Panginoon, sir, since nagkataon na nakilala kong Panginoon, sir, ng pagka...
When did you receive the Lord into your heart? When was that?
I think, kuan, sir, mga first grade 2.
Therefore, you're not going to lie in this committee. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, naniniwala ka ba na merong human rights violation nangyari in the past administration?
Pero, sir, I am a law enforcer, sir. I'm not really see or to hear na mag-decision ako kung mayroon o wala, sir.
I'm
But,
not asking you to make a decision. I'm asking you kung naniniwala ka mayroong human rights violations dito.
as far as yung narinig naman natin, sir,
You're a believer of the Lord Jesus and then you're going to lie to me?
No.
Abay, wala na akong panitawala sa'yo. Huwag ka na mag-text sa akin ng Bible verses.
hindi naman sa ganun, sir.
Tanungin mo, sagutin mo ako. Colonel.
There must be,
Sagutin mo
sir.
ako.
There must be.
So, because, bago ito believe ako sa'yo. Okay? Sagutin mo na ako ngayon. Naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violations nangyari in the past administration?
Mayroon, sir.
Meron.
Meron.
Okay, good. Salamat.
Yes, sir.
Oo. That's it. Oh, ikaw, naniniwala ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilan napatay mo?
Kanisa pa yan, pero number one siya.
Wala pa po, Your Honor.
Bakit di ka makasagot agad? Hindi ka makasagot agad. Where are you assigned right now?
At the Davao City Police Office, Your Honor.
Davao City Police Office.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi pinatawag ka dito because you were involved. You were actually involved in the killing of these thousands. You were actually involved. Hindi ka pinatawag dito kung hindi ka nag-i-involved. Alright? So, can you tell me about that? Tell the committee. Were you involved in some cases in this Tokhang operation? Were you involved?
May mga legitimate operation po kami, Your Honor.
I'm not saying it's illegitimate. What I'm saying is, were you involved in any Tokhang operation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, you were. You were also involved in the double barrel. Kasi hindi ko alam yun. Sasabi ni Congressman ako.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron kayong involvement sa big time. Ano yun? One time, big time. Involved ka rin doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where did you get the order to be involved? From whom?
In my superior, Your Honor.
Ano ang rango ninyo? Anong rank mo?
Staff
Staff Sergeant and you?
Staff Sergeant.
Staff Sergeant?
Police Chief Master Sergeant, Your Honor.
Did you take your oath?
Yes, Your Honor.
All of you took your oath, okay? Now, according to Police Colonel Lito Patay, during his stint as commander of the Batasan, sa kanyang watch, more than 100 people were killed. Do you attest to that?
Di ko po maano yung exact figure, Mr.
Sabi
Chair.
niya more than 100. And he was only there for about 8 months. Do you attest to that? Ikaw? Hindi mo alam.
Di ko paano yung...
Ikaw?
Hindi ko din alam yung figure, Your Honor.
Ikaw?
Steve, Your Honor, hindi ko rin alam yung figure.
Ganon. But you were involved. Because you were under him, eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were involved.
Yes, Mr.
It's okay. In your own involvement, how many of those 100, for example, na napatay ninyo sa encounter?
I cannot, ano yung sa... Ano niya, Mr. Chair, sa exactly na figure, Mr.
Pero
Chair.
meron kayo napatay.
I'm not sure, Your Honor, kung ako po yung nakatama, Your Honor.
Meron kang napatay o wala?
Not sure, Your Honor, kung ako po yung nakatama, Your Honor. Kasi hindi lang po ako yung pumotok.
Pero bumaril ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo alam kung nakatama ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Akala ko ba mga pulis asintado?
Hindi naman po siguro lahat.
Si Director Jimmy Santiago, pakituruan nga ito. Oo. Sa bakatlo ka, ako hindi ako pulis. Asintado ako. Naglalaro ako. Meron ako sariling firing range. Alright? Ay, sabihin mo sa akin na bumaril ka, hindi mo alam kung nakatama.
Kasi hindi lang po ako yung pumotok, Mr. Chair.
Dito ba yung council nila? Do you have a council here?
No, Mr. Chair.
No, you have no counsel. Okay. Kaya ikaw naman, PO2 Maderable.
Yes,
Pumutok
Mr.
ka ba? Pumutok ka din. Ha?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Pero hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka. Pumutok ka rin ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw?
Yes, Your Honor.
Masarap ang pumutok? Okay ba? Exciting ba ang gumamit ng baril at paputukan ang tao? Na merong more than 100 Colonel Patay testified here. More than 100. So tinatanong ko kayo, exciting ba ang pumutok at makapatay? Kahit hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka.
No, Mr. Chair.
Bakit ka pumutok?
In my, Mr. Chair, as police officer, Mr. Chair, pag ang buhay, Mr. Chair, nasa danger, Mr. Chair, I will defend myself, Mr. Chair.
Okay, I understand that. So, pumutok ka for self-defense purposes.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka. Hindi mo alam kung sino pinutukan mo. Hello, come on, ako nag-iisip din naman ako eh. Oo, pumutok ka, hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka. So hindi mo alam kung sino pinutukan mo.
Pumutok po ako, Mr. Chair, pero I'm not the only one kasi pumutok, Mr. Chair, kasi may narinig akong putok sa gilid, sa likod ko, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naman.
Bali, pumutok din ako, Mr. Chair, pero hindi ako sigurado kung tumama din, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ka sigurado kung tumama. Pero, alam mo kung sino yung pinutukan mo. Alam mo ba kung sino ang pinutukan mo?
Yung
Kilala
suspect,
mo?
Mr. Chair. Hindi, Mr. Chair.
Okay, kung self-defense yan, hindi mo alam kung sino pinutukan mo. How can it be self-defense? I would like to ask my fellow former policemen here, if that would be the case among the police people now. I'll be asking our generals about this. Pumutok sila eh. Oo. Okay, kayo naman, self-defense ka rin.
Yes, Mr. Sir.
Oo.
My life is in danger.
Hindi.
So nakita mo yung danger, nakita mo yung tao, napapatayin ka din. Nakita mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo. Pinutukan mo pero hindi mo alam kung tumama.
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi hindi lang rin ako ang pumutok, Your Honor.
Hindi pinag-uusapan yung hindi lang ikaw ang pumutok. Ang pinag-uusapan natin kung tumama ka at namatay yung tao.
Hindi ko ma-determine, Your Honor. Kasi ang putok sabay-sabay. So yung tama ng bala, hindi namin malalaman kung sino talaga
Sabay. How about you?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. Kung ako talaga yung nakatawa, Your Honor.
Pero self-defense lang ang ginawa mo.
Yes, Your Honor, pero hindi naman lahat na operasyon namin, Your Honor, may pumutok kami, Your Honor.
Attorney, according to the police data, ang napatay na drug lord 21, ang financier 9, maintainer 18. Ano po ba yung maintainer? Yun naman bakal. Anong ibig sabihin ng maintainer?
A maintainer of drug dens.
Maintainer ng drug dens to. Okay. Hindi sila ba ang may-ari ng mga drug dens? Hindi. O, ano yung operator? 12 na operator.
The same, Mr. Chair. It's either they are the maintainer or the operator of
O, tinan nyo 21 na drug lord, financier 9, maintainer 18, 12 operator. Pero ang mga napatay na pusher, 7,173. Just imagine the disparity on this. No, itong mga pusher na ito, hindi naman mahiyaman to, mahirap to. Ang mga mahiyaman, yung mga drug lord, yung financier, yung maintainer, yung operator. Nakakapagtaka kung bakit nakakawala ito. I don't think we are. Am I right? Oh. User. Can you imagine user, Ito dapat to i-rehabilitate. Tama ho ba ako? Yes, sir. Tama ba ako?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh. Director Jimmy Santiago. Tama ho ba ako?
Tama po, sir.
Ayan. Lahat tayo. General Bakay. General Salvador. Di ba? Asag de Rosario. Naniniwala tayo dyan, di ba? Alright. 440 ang pinatay. User to. Oh. Now, hindi pa kasama dito. Hindi pa kasama dito, yung mga mistaken identity. Hindi pa kasama dito yung hindi user, kundi nadamay lang, katulad nung isa dito na nagdadala lang, driver lang, pinatay. Hindi pa kasama dito. Ilang daan yan, mga kaibigan? Hindi pa kasama yung unidentified dito. See, look, ako nagpapasalamat ako sa DILG at sa ating Pangulo ngayon na nakita natin na pwede pala nating i-address ang drug problem na walang masyadong namamatay. Ako naniniwala ako, when you speak of interparliamentary courtesy, pwede silang hindi pumunta when it comes to the fact na iniimbestigahan natin ang pagiging senador nila. But we are investigating the past. Naging Director General siya ng Philippine National Police. Accountability pinag-uusapan dito. Command responsibility pinag-uusapan dito. Hindi lang yan. Iimbitahan din natin si dating Senador Laila De Lima to shed light on this because she knows a lot of things. Yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Alright. Now, meron tayo ditong mga taga other PNP personnel. Alright? We have Reynaldo Medina. Where is Reynaldo Medina? Alright. Can you show yourself here in front? Are you still a son in Davao? Are you still in Davao? Nakakita ko, Davao dyan Pinagmamalaki mo ang pagiging Davaoan niyo? Pinagmamalaki mo? Pinagmamalaki niya.